tire and wheel swap action gonna go happen on the Turbo S today on those trips. 36,299 miles. Put the original wheels, the gray wheels, with the brand new Pilot Sport 4S's. Go jacks. These are the Contis. They're not even beginning to be worn out. But I got some Cup 2s I want to put on these wheels. So I'll probably just sell these tires. They've been good tires. Alright. Alright, last wheel on the wheel change. Studs in there so I don't ding up my ECCBs when it comes off. Best investment you'll ever make if you got 5 lugs. Same thing for the center locks if you don't have one of those center tools. Got my 7mm spacers on the front, 15s on the back. Centric, been running just fine, working perfect. Alrighty. Well, I guess I should have left these on. I'll go back with the fronts. On this side, I don't want to take those out. I'm old, forgetful these days. I gotta double check myself all the time. All right. CCBs. Tires in really good shape. Got about 6,000 miles on them, I guess. Back with you when I put the other wheels on. All right, tires and wheels just came off of the Turbo S. Getting ready to go back with the original wheels, which are a silverish, exact same design, but they're gray on the inside with the machined lip, and they've got PS4S's on them. These are great tires. Got about 6,000 miles on them. I can't believe how good they've worn. That's the front, another front, the rears, plenty of tread, a little on the outside, but I mean, I do try to drive spiritedly, and I keep my pressures lower when I'm doing so for grip purposes, obviously. That's where that came from, or that was pre-alignment. Actually, I may have done some of that from the before I had Hennessy do the alignment, but they've all been taken care of and still can use. Probably still got 4, 5, 6,000 miles left on them. If anybody wants them, let me know. All right, this is what's going on the original set, the wheels anyway. As you can see, these are brand new. Only been rolled around in the garage. Bought these off of a guy that I think he installed the fronts, no, the rears for like 20 miles. Can't remember exactly, but I think he had them on the car for like 20 miles. Then he decided to get rid of the car and took them off, put his old tires back on. So they're 21 date codes. Let's see here, where's the other one? 20, I think. I need to start using these. 21. And 20 on the rear. So, you know, 3.5 years old, but they're brand new. Been in the basement controlled environment, temperature controlled. So they're going on and should be good to go. All right, wheels swapped out. Black's outside, original gray and silvers on. Of course, I got the black center caps. I got the original ones that go with it as well. I gotta torque these down. I've not torqued them down, so I can't forget to do that. All right. Spacer set that wheel out good. Torqued and on the ground. Got my front actually lift up, so the front looks a little high. That's why. Spacer setting it out just right. All right, back from the test drive, aired up. Fit well. Don't scrub those spacers. Definitely like the way the sidewall is better on the Michelins than I do those Contis, because they are a little more squared off, especially in the rear. But other than that, I mean, Conti's a great tire, stuck well, inexpensive compared to these. So, it's great. All right, well, I already took a test drive, but